Ever wonder why there are so many choices in rotors? To questions about symmetric vanes, high carbon alloy, double disc grinding, one-piece versus two-piece, drilled or slotted, painted or e-coated bring you to your knees? Well, each of these terms in rotor specifications have an impact on fitting the right rotor to the right vehicle for the right conditions, and this video will help you sort it out. Centric Parts offers several different rotor options: standard, premium, high carbon alloy, and sport, along with cryogenic tempering options for each of those. The C-Tek standard replacement rotors are designed for everyday driving and are available in a wide variety of applications for both import and domestic cars and light-duty trucks. They feature a double disc ground finish which virtually eliminates runout and disc thickness variation issues and produces a non-directional finish for better pad and rotor break-in. C-Tek rotors also use G3000 grade iron. Iron is graded between G1800 and G5000 by SAE, with the higher grades offering greater hardness and tensile strength. G3000 is the optimum grade for standard replacement rotors. C-Tek is the rotor choice when you want excellent performance and value. C-Tek Sport rotors take basic C-Tek rotors one step farther by adding a cross-drilled and slotted finish. Besides the more purposeful look, the finish can improve braking performance by continually producing a clean surface between pad and rotor. For drivers who want a sportier appearance and improved performance, go with C-Tek Sport rotors. Centric's premium rotor line is truly premium. Designed and built using original equipment manufacturer specifications and production processes, they meet both QS and ISO quality system standards. They are manufactured using symmetric vane casting. Inferior side cut castings do not dissipate heat evenly, decreasing stopping ability. Centric's OE-style symmetric vane casting distributes heat more efficiently, increasing both braking power and service life. Centric premium rotors are double disc ground for better pad and rotor break-in, with fully machined finishes including the hat for better balance and a more finished-looking component. They use a black electrostatic coating anti-corrosive finish rather than a painted finish, which protects the cooling vanes and mounting surfaces from rusting prematurely. This electrostatically applied finish has been tested to withstand 400 hours of salt spray exposure without rusting, which means much greater service life on those icy, salt-infested winter roads. Finally, all Centric premium rotors are mill balanced for smooth operation at all speeds. This additional machining operation reduces rotor vibration feedback and provides smooth, confident application of braking force. Centric's premium rotors are the rotor of choice when you want a premium replacement rotor. Centric high-carbon alloy rotors feature a metallurgy precisely engineered to reduce pad squeal, especially with higher friction European-style pad compounds. They also increase the friction coupling for improved pad performance and stopping power. As with Centric premium rotors, high-carbon alloy rotors are manufactured with symmetric vane casting, a double disc ground surface, and are e-coated and mill balanced. Centric high carbon alloy rotors also provide improved resistance to stress caused by high temperatures and are excellent for European applications, as well as high performance fleet and emergency applications. StopTech is the high performance and racing brand from Centric Parts. StopTech sport rotors are drilled and are slotted versions of the Centric premium or high carbon alloy rotors. StopTech rotors offer the same e-coating, symmetric vanes, mill balancing, and double disc ground finish as Centric premium rotors, but the extra holes and slots improve braking performance in several ways. These features allow pad material, debris, and gases to escape from between the pad and rotor for a better friction interface. Slots and holes also add more bite, prevent pad glazing, and improve wet and dry braking performance. Plus, they look great. Centric's cryo-treated rotors undergo a proprietary computer-controlled cryogenic tempering process that improves performance and service life. This process actually alters the metal's molecular structure, aligning the molecules and producing enhanced durability. All C-Tek, Centric, or StopTech sport rotors can be ordered with cryogenic treatment. So whether you're looking for excellent performance and value, a premium rotor for premium performance, the high performance of high carbon alloy, sport rotors for street and track, or the durability of cryo-tempered rotors, the choice is clear. Choose Centric.